Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to earn up to 7,000 and more in dollars by just teaching what you know. I mean, how cool is that? And what you need to do is to come on this platform here called Study Push. If you have any expertise in accounting, advertising, biotechnology, Excel, business plans, go here in Mediterraneans, there's a lot interior design. There's just a category for everyone. And then, I mean, how long have you been studying? How about now you get paid for sharing the knowledge that you have? And there are people all over the world who are willing to pay for expertise. A good thing about this platform here, you do not only get paid by or tutoring and giving lessons, but also when you give answers, you're gonna get paid. And I mean, this platform has been around for some time now. I mean, it's got over 20 million study documents. I mean, already tells you that it is used by a lot of people all over the world. It has been featured on Yahoo, Nasdaq, Inc., Entrepreneur, and HuffPost. The name of the platform is Study Pool, and you can make $7,000 a month and more. So if you want to become a tutor, you simply want to come here and become a tutor. And as you can see here, you can earn up to 7.5 in dollars monthly. A good thing about this, you're gonna be working from home. It means that you can use this as a side hustle. You don't need to do this full time. You can do this whenever you knock off from work and make some extra income. I mean, even if you make $2,000 monthly, that's still a lot. I mean, this is a lot of money that you can make by just teaching online. And I can tell you, there are a lot of people around the world who are willing to pay for your expertise, because you know what, people, they value what you know. I mean, look at this, one of the highest earners. I mean, look at this one here. He has earned over 80,000 in dollars. I mean, this price in my country is over $1 million. I mean, it's a lot. So you want to make sure that you grab on this opportunity and start making money online. And look at this, these are some of the recent questions. I mean, some of the questions, you see that they are so easy to answer. All you need to do is just answer that question and you're gonna get paid. You're also gonna get paid if you upload, if you have any online courses. When you add them here, just like Udemy, some people can enroll on those courses and you're gonna get paid. A good thing about this platform, Study Pool, unlike the likes of Udemy and other platforms that are used for tutoring, it is not popular just like those platforms, which means that you have an option of earning more money, because the competition is not a lot, but the learners, they are always going to be a lot on any platform, because there's always going to be someone who's willing to learn. Like yourself right now, you are on this video because you want to learn something new. I am watching videos, I read books, I listen to podcasts like crazy every day, because no person can say, you know what, I am done learning. So this is a very great opportunity to share expertise and earn up to 7.5. And you can see here, this shows some of the popular countries that people are taking lessons from. But this platform, as I said, it is available worldwide. So make sure that you grab an opportunity and go to studypool.com and start offering your expertise today. Alright, cool guys, this was the video of today. If you enjoyed this, please make sure that you let us know in the comment section. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Keep safe. Bye. Hi guys.